Hello, my lovely beauties. How we doing? How we feeling? A happy Thursday. It is Thursday. Today is February the 27th. And I am here to do another haul. Today is a Dollar Tree haul, which you know everything in the dollar store or the Dollar Tree is a dollar. So I bought 24 items today. So I spent $24. I ran in there really just to pick up like I think one or two things, and then the next thing I know, I was holding one of those little handheld things, which I never do, but for some reason today, because I was like, I'm in and out, like I'm not trying to do all that. So I grabbed the little thing and beauties. OMG. The girl had stuff under her arms in the little thing, and I am literally like dropping stuff as I walk. I'm like, oh, why? Why? So on that note, let me just turn this camera around so you, my lovely beauties, you can see where I spent my $24. All right. Okay, a little disclosure. If you can hear something that sounds like it's bubbling, I am boiling some eggs for my salad for dinner tonight. So they're going on the stove over there. So as you can see, a little spread of everything that I got tonight, my 24 items. And yeah, so I'm gonna start with this pile over here. This pile is actually stuff for work. One of the ladies at work, Donna, asked me if I were to run into one of the dollar stores or anything, if I saw some St. Patty's Day decor, if I would pick it up for her, because she loves to decorate the office, and I do too, but she just gets on it, man. She's like the first one grabbing those little holiday things, and so she loves putting these little sticky things on our little glass window where the students come up to. So I got 3 of these. This one says St. Patrick's Day, and then this one is just some little, like, you know, decor for St. Patty's Day, the 4-leaf clovers and the shoehorns and whatever else is on there. I think that's pretty much it. And then this one is all like 4-leaf clovers, but just in different shapes or whatever. So these were $1 a piece, so I got those for her. The next things that I have here, so our doctor is expecting a baby, and it is a baby girl, hence all the pink that you see going on here. And we're going to do a small, very, very small office baby shower. So I picked up a few things that I am responsible for bringing. I don't know about these spoons and forks from the dollar stores. Guys, comment below and let me know. Like, was this a waste? Because, like, are they going to be good? I mean, they feel very durable, so I'm hoping they're okay. And they say heavy duty. Then I initially was just going to get all pink. And y'all, I saw these at, like, as I was, like, about to check out, and I don't know, I just thought her theme, if you saw her theme, it's deeper colors in this, but it's like the pinks and blue flowers for the baby. So I kind of thought this would be, you know, I don't know, like it would kind of blend. So I got this for the cake, and which, you know what, I should go back and get some little small napkins for the cake as well. But yeah, so I picked these up. Like I said, these are napkins, and then these are the little plates, and there's only going to be like 6 of us, so there's 12 plates. So I think I'm okay by just getting this. And then these are the, you know, plates for our actual food, which we're just doing sandwiches and stuff like that. So I think this is going to be okay. And this has 16 plates, and I like the squared effect. So I kind of like did like, I don't know, like a little bit of a combination of things. And then I'm not really sold on these either, y'all. I'm very worried because we're adults and not kids. And like these cups are so tiny, but like, I don't know. What do you think? Should I like, am I okay with these, or should I actually go and look for some different cups? I might, I haven't decided yet. We'll see, I'll think on that. So then moving right along, as you all know, I am, how shall I put it? I am a vegetarian wannabe. No, actually I'm not. I'm very proud of what I'm doing. I'm just trying to change my diet up a little bit. For any of you who aren't familiar with my channel, in January, I did the 21 days of prayer and fasting with my church, and I enjoyed every moment of the fast. I had no meats at all. Now I have incorporated in my diet, on the weekends, or shall I say 2 days a week, I am allowed to have meat. And if I feel like I really need something throughout the week, I am going to have like seafood. I can have shrimp, fish, you know, I love tuna. So, you know, if I really feel the need, I'm going to, you know, indulge in those things like that during the week. but my meats are kind of reserved for more or less the weekend. Or if I am having lunch with someone or I am eating at someone's house, I'm not going to be rude and say I can't eat meat, because the truth of it is I'm not a vegetarian and I can eat meat. So yeah, so anyway, that's what I'm doing right now. However long it's going to last, I'm loving it. I love the way it makes me feel as of right now. So that was a long introduction to show you all these vegetables, now wasn't it? So these were at the dollar store. Now I know some people will probably say the stuff at the dollar store isn't good, girl. Y'all, I've been buying stuff at the dollar store forever and there's nothing wrong with it. So I saw these are mixed vegetables. And for me, being alone, single and alone, I love the sound of that. Yeah, this is like the perfect size for a couple of days, you know, lunch or dinner or both or whatever. So I got, this is some mixed vegetables, like I said, and then I got the peas and carrots, and then I got the stir-fry blend, which I am so excited about making some dishes with these. And one thing about me, I will take these things and incorporate other things with them. Like I will put potatoes with it. I will cut up peppers, onions. So I make it very, very tasty. And I've actually enjoyed, you know, coming up with these little fancy dishes of mine. So the next thing I'm going to show you is the Jiffy To Go. It's 3 little cups of peanut butter in these, and y'all, these are so, so good. I got these because I love having apple with peanut butter. That's pretty much, like, peanut butter is not one of those things I really love. I can only eat it with certain things. It's a texture thing, and I cannot have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich to save my soul. These I picked up. I use these a lot there. They're $15. $15. There's 15 in them for $1. And y'all, these are just as good as any of those Glad, Hefties, or anything else. So I buy these almost every time I go in because I love to have my grapes and stuff like that. I put those in that. And then we're going to move on to the last realm of things. And okay, so what we have here is all kinds of cleaning stuff. I am, as you all know, trying to get this place, you know, trying to make it my own right now. So it's requiring a lot of deep cleaning. So I saw this Dawn dish detergent. This is supposed to be like eco-friendly or whatever. I don't know. I'd have to read all the fine print on it. But anyway, so yeah, so pick that up for $1. And then I picked up some air freshener. This is going to go into my guest bathroom. I actually want to go to Bath and Body Works. My sister buys those little sprays from Bath and Body Works, and I think I might be doing that. But I picked this up at the dollar store because I have nothing in there right now, and I don't want nobody to come in there and stink up my place and don't have a way to make it smell better. So these 2 things, I know for a fact that I can purchase these, like one of these inside of a regular store like Walmart or Target, and get a bigger one, and I'll spend like $4 and get a big one that will last a lot longer. Then I spent $2 on 2 of these. But one, I wanted to try this scent and see what I thought about it. And then the other is, I know I love the scent because I love the smell of some good old Pine Sol. It just makes the place feels clean, even if it's not clean. You can pour some Pine Sol down your drain, and I'm telling you, when people walk in your house, they were like, oh girl, she been cleaning. So yeah, so anyway, I just grabbed these 2 because I was at the dollar store and I was not trying to go to Walmart. I'm not about that life tonight. I'm tired, y'all. So then I saw this, and I have one that is, I don't know, it needs help. Every time I go to lint off my clothes, I'm like, why don't I ever get another one? And this is only got a few little things in it, but this one says extra sticky. I've not ever purchased one from the dollar store, I don't think. But anyway, I'm gonna give it a shot and see how good it is. And then I saw this because I'm very serious about making sure that everything stays clean and smelling clean and fresh in my house now that I'm living all alone. And I saw this, okay, we had a little bit of technical difficulties there. I'm using this new thing that I got, and it decided to do a flip on me. So it's like a little tripod thing. I'll have to talk to y'all about that later. Anyway, I picked up this Comet multi-surface spray cleaner. It's metal fresh. I didn't even open it up to smell it, y'all, because the girl had way too much stuff in her hands. So it wasn't about that life either tonight. But yeah, I'm going to be using that. And then I saw this. My bathroom shower, when I go to clean that baby, which is going to be this weekend, I'm scared, y'all. I'm so scared. It is... My glass on my bathroom shower needs some love. I'm not even gonna lie. So I want to give this a try. I want to see, you know, is it gonna do its business or not? I'm hoping it will do some good things for my shower. And these last 2 things, I may have shown these in a haul before because this is an item that I pick up over and over and over again at the dollar store. This is like Drano for your sink, you know, whatever. And y'all, this is some really good Drano for $1. I use it faithfully in my bathroom. Okay, my lovely beauty. So that concludes my Dollar Tree haul. Before I go, I can't go. I can't go until I do this, y'all, because I never do this in my videos, and I really have to do this because if you don't ask, you won't get. So I'm asking, I'm begging, I'm pleading, whatever it takes to get y'all to hit that subscribe button. Can you do it? And do it with a vengeance, y'all. And then when that little notification bell pop up, hit the all so you don't miss anything. Like, please, y'all, I'm begging. If you're already a subscriber, beauties, you know I love you for that. And last but not beauties, if you can just hit that thumbs up for me, y'all, I'm just telling y'all, I would so appreciate it. Do the girl a favor. All right, y'all, that's it for the night. I will see you guys in my very next video.